The advantages of pre-pack administration or pre-pack liquidation are, firstly, that there is a greater return to creditors or better return to creditors than would otherwise be the case if the company was simply liquidated or closed. Secondly, investment funds that would otherwise have been used to pay debts of the old business can be used to a better advantage in the new company, helping it with its trading position. Thirdly, the employees of the old business are maintained in the new company, therefore giving the new company the best possible start in life. And lastly, customers and suppliers of the old business have the opportunity and possibility of continuing to trade with the new company, whereas perhaps if the company had just been closed, they would have to have found new trading partners. Of course, there are some disadvantages of the pre-pack solution. First of all, funding is required to buy the assets of the old business. The amount required will depend on the valuation of those assets, and that will be based on a reasonable independent valuation. Also, if the directors of the new business are the same as those on the old company, HMRC may require a VAT deposit to be paid. The third disadvantage is the directors of the old business, because ultimately it will be liquidated, will face a report on their conduct, which could ultimately mean that they are accused of wrongful trading, and if found or if upheld, they could be disqualified as being directors of companies in the future. And the last disadvantage of the pre-pack solution is that it can't be used to reorganise employees. As I said earlier, employees will have to be transferred to the new business, and so even if the new business then needs to reorganise, it will have to go through standard redundancy procedures based on the employment terms of the employees, and therefore not giving any advantage in this regard.